purpose of this video is to demonstrate the diagnostic capabilities of RSD-SimulateLite. As you can see here, we already have a circuit in RSD, and for the purposes of this demonstration we're going to concentrate on simulating the current flowing through this fibre here. We will start by placing a voltage source set to 10 volts. And we will place a simple resistor from which we can measure the current. And now I will place two earth symbols so I can finish off the routing of the circuit. And finally, all I need to do is to route some fibres between the components, and this will establish the connectivity between the diagnostic circuit and the existing circuit. And as you can see, to create a diagnostic circuit from an existing circuit is very straightforward using RSD-Simulate. And now all I need to do is to run the simulation, and we can examine the electrical data which has been generated. If we look at the simulation output, we can see the wire we are interested in here has got a maximum current rating of 11 amps, and I can now show you what will happen if this fibre is overloaded. Do this by increasing the voltage and decreasing the resistance passing through the circuit. And now that the resistance has been decreased, we can rerun the simulation, and the simulator will show that there is a problem detected in the circuit, highlight the fibre in question, and if we look at the simulation output, we can see that the current flowing through the fibre exceeds the maximum rating for this fibre. To correct this, we're going to need to apply a new data set to this fibre. In this case, we will use one which will give us a 14 amp rating. And now all we need to do is rerun the simulation. And we can see that now there is no problem. And we can have a look at the simulation output. We can see that the current flowing through this fibre doesn't exceed the maximum rating. And we can verify this by highlighting the circuit. And as you can see here, the circuit is highlighted green, and this concludes the demonstration of the diagnostic capabilities of RSD-SimulateLite.